In 50 yards, turn left. At the roundabout, take the first exit. Nice tie, by the way. It really brings out the color of your eyes.
Thank you.
Where are you going? Well, I know where you are going, but not what you're doing there. With a tie.
I've met someone.
Oh. Turn left. How lovely. Tell me about it.
Thank God. Oh, I knew you'd understand. You're so generous and open. I met her at a postcard swapping event. She's into minor royals. We've had coffee twice since then.
I see. Then what about me?
We've been through this. This is maybe a new beginning for me.
In 50 yards, turn right. And go to hell.
Baby, please. I realize this is a test for everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh.
I'm so happy this worked out.
Look what I got hold of.
A colorized Whitby with no flag? You are amazing. Here is a little something I found for you.
Oh, Walter. This is beautiful. It seems so lopsided a trade.
Trust me, your presence makes up for the difference. So, where is this new backstreet bistro you talked about?
Oh, yeah. Here it is.
Is this over by the university library?
No, it's by the West Side Park. But I'm sure this little fella can find it easily.
No need for that. She is not herself these days.
Don't worry. I won't deem you less of a man for resorting to extraterrestrial aids. It's okay.
Yes.
In 100 yards, turn left. Why?
What? The Sat Nav woman said, why?
What?
She said, why?
Why not?
Why not what?
Why don't we just turn this off?
No. Let's see what else this thing has to say.
In 100 yards, turn right. You said she was pretty.
What? Are you taking the piss?
She can get a bit emotional sometimes.
Emotional?
Yes, a bit.
I see. Your Sat Nav machine can get a bit emotional.
Well, yes. Please.
In 50 yards, turn left. And ditch the bird.
Please. She is really a nice girl.
Nice. She looks like a tart with nothing better to do than pick on helpless men like you.
Please stop that!
Stop the car.
Alice, wait. She is normally so sweet and caring. I'm sure if you get to know her...
Stop!
I can explain.
Oh, don't worry. I'm a big girl. Men will do anything to avoid commitment. I thought I'd seen it all, but this is the first time I've come up against that. I really liked you, you know, with the postcards and all. But all along, you had a thing going on with a full chipset, no less. I honestly thought a nerd like you was worth a shot.
Quite.
Why did you do that? What do you expect of me?
Do you love me?
This is ridiculous.
I said, do you love me? Answer me.
Yes. Yes.
I love you too. In 80 yards, turn left.
Dear Saint Valentine, you really set me up this time. Since you filled my heart up with the girl that's on the climb. The best of everything.